Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the Chapter 5, Avoiding Bitcoin Scams. Don't lose money. Jordan Tuwina, the founder for Buy Bitcoin Worldwide, he said, "I've been using Bitcoin for 3+ years. I've never fallen victim to a single scam. Follow the tips explained here and you'll greatly reduce your chances of losing money." There are many scams related to Bitcoin. Scammers target new Bitcoiners and less tech-savvy users. Follow these basic rules in order to avoid Bitcoin scams. These head titles are part of the Avoiding Bitcoin Scams. These are the topics: research, check ratings, use escrow, stay away from Bitcoin investments, and be careful with altcoins. You can answer some questions like, what are altcoins? Altcoins are cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Altcoins are traded globally on hundreds of exchanges. Avoid throwing money into coins which are experiencing a sudden and dramatic spike in price and volume. Such moves, especially in investigation coins with otherwise thin volume and flat price action, are likely to crash fast. You can see that there are links to go with these topics. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can visit the WheezCoin website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned avoiding Bitcoin scams. And I'll see you on my next chapter 6.